5 cheap modifications that make your Silverado last 400,000 plus miles. $200 to $400 total investment. 1999 through 2013, GMT800 and GMT900. Not performance mods, longevity mods. Yesterday, 5 things 300K owners do. Today, 5 mods that help them get there. Subscribe, comment which you'll do first. Why do these work? They protect the most expensive components: transmission, engine, frame. Small investment now equals huge savings later. Not lift kits or exhaust, smart upgrades that make it last. Years 1999 through 2013, all. First, add auxiliary transmission cooler, even if you don't tow, especially GMT800 4L60E. Why? Heat kills transmissions. Factory cooler adequate, auxiliary cooler makes transmission run 20 to 30 degrees cooler. Installation, mount in front of radiator, connect lines, 30 minutes. Cost, $50 to $80. Payoff, transmission rebuild costs $3,000 to $5,000. Cooler costs $70. Adds 100K transmission life. GMT800 especially, 4L60E loves running cool. Mod 1, $70, 100K transmission life. Years 1999 through 2013, all. Second, switch to full synthetic fluids everywhere. Not just engine oil, everywhere. What to upgrade? Engine oil full synthetic, transmission fluid synthetic, differential synthetic, transfer case if 4WD. Why? Synthetic handles heat better. Better protection in extreme temperatures, longer intervals. Cost? Extra $40 to $60 per service, but lasts longer, protects better. Real results? Engines with synthetic consistently make 300K with good compression. Mod 2 costs more upfront, saves thousands long-term. Years 1999 through 2013, all. Third, install high-flow reusable air filter. Not cheap paper, quality washable, K&N, AEM, S&B. Why for longevity? Better airflow equals engine breathes easier. Better fuel economy. Reusable equals never buy filter again. Longevity benefit? Cleaner air intake, quality filters trap more particles, engine stays cleaner inside. Cost, $40 to $70 one time. Return? Paper filters cost $15, replace every 15,000. Buy 100K, already save money. Mod 3, $40 once, engine protection forever. Years 1999 through 2013, all. Fourth, upgrade to premium spark plugs. Not basic copper, iridium or platinum, AC Delco, NGK, Denso. Why for longevity? Consistent spark equals complete combustion. Less carbon buildup, engine stays cleaner, runs better longer. Lifespan? Copper plugs 30 to 50,000, iridium 100K plus. Cost $30 to $50 set of 8. Benefit? Better fuel economy, smoother running, less stress on catalytic converter. Mod 4, $50, 100K plugs. Years 1999 through 2013, all especially salt states. Fifth, apply undercoating or frame protection spray. Critical if salt roads. Options: fluid film popular, annual reapplication. Wool wax thicker, lasts longer. POR 15 permanent but requires prep. Why? Salt corrodes the frame. Frame rusts through, truck done. Preventative coating equals frame lasts truck's life. Application: DIY $40 to $80 materials, 2 hours. Professional $150 to $300. When? Before rust starts. Once a year of salt exposure. GMT800 especially, frame can rust if not protected. Mod 5, $80 yearly, frame forever. 5 cheap mods making Silverado last 400,000 plus. 1. Auxiliary transmission cooler, $70, 100K transmission life. 2. Synthetic fluids everywhere, better protection. 3. High-flow quality filter, 40 once, engine protection forever. 4. Upgraded iridium plugs, $50, 100K plugs. 5. Undercoating frame, 80 yearly, frame protection. Total investment, $200 to $400. Return, potentially 100K plus extra miles. Which will you do first? Comment, I'm doing mod number X. Like, share, subscribe. Tomorrow, 8 secrets of Silverados reaching 500K. Your Silverado can last 400,000. These 5 mods help you get there. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.